Hi, my name is Michelle McGinnis, and I first came to Pierce Clinic with my now 1.5-year-old. At the time, she was only, let's say, 2 months old, and she had colic, and really, really bad colic. It was tormenting. It was something we weren't expecting. It was something we weren't warned about. It was something that we were told we had to just ride out, and we had been through years of fertility treatments. So to finally have a baby and to finally have all of your blessings met was really just the pinnacle for us. And to feel like that was dampened a little by this colic that was ruling us day and night was, it was sad. So we decided to do some more research, and we found Dr. Pierce and made a phone call. We were here within a couple of days, and my husband, I have to admit, was very skeptical. He didn't understand why we were taking our 2-month-old to a chiropractor. I was a little more optimistic. Plus, we had tried everything. There was really nothing that we hadn't tried. We'd done all of the different, droplets. We've done every single type of, formula. Everything by the book. Nothing worked. Our days and nights were literally spent just getting her back to sleep so she would stop crying. And we were getting depressed. So we made the trip for about 2.5 hours, came out, met with Dr. Pierce. He evaluated Everly. We were very nervous. We did not know what to expect. He made us feel very at ease. It was like talking to a family member. He just explained to us what was wrong with her. He showed us that one leg was actually longer than the other. Her spine was just a little off, and then he explained how he was going to fix that. He also explained that it wouldn't hurt her at all, and that she would feel much better afterwards. So we gave her a blessing, and he adjusted her, and she slept the whole way home. And when she got home, she ate, and then she slept again for almost 8 hours, which was, it never happened. Not once had it happened since she was born. So she woke up, and she was a different baby. She wasn't crying when she woke up. She wasn't angry. She wasn't, tense. She was happy. And all of these little milestones that we were missing along the way, her laughing for the first time, her cooing, it's not that they weren't happening, it's that we were just being robbed of them because she was crying through them. So all of this time she knew how to laugh, and all of this time she knew how to coo and smile at us, and we didn't know it until we brought her home and she woke up from that long nap. And we just can't thank Dr. Pierce enough for giving us our baby back.